3 super simple CapCut video editing tips to make your shorts and reels go viral. Number 1. Digital zooms. I always use these zooms to keep the audience engaged. Just create 2 keyframes for scale and position, and then scale the video. Now it will zoom in over time. But the difficult part is timing the zoom. Number 2. Sticky text. Stick text to an object. It's easy to do and it looks super cool. Just drop your text on the timeline, go to tracking here, and then select motion tracking. Put the yellow box over the object you want to track, hit start, and you're done. And now the text will follow that object. And number 3, the 5-second rule. Use the effects that I just showed you in the first 5 seconds of your short or reel. And also use an animated text template for your first sentence. Because you only have 5 seconds to grab the viewer's attention, both visually and content-wise.